Today, we're talking about Nokia's latest budget phone, the Nokia C210. HMD Global just launched it in the US, and it's aimed straight at the low-end market. Let's dive in. So, the C210 keeps things simple. It's powered by the Snapdragon 662 processor, built on 11 nanometers tech, with a clock speed up to 2.0 GHz. You get 3 GB of RAM and only 32 GB of storage. But don't worry, you can expand it up to 512 GB with a microSD card. Compared to the Nokia G310, this phone is smaller and lighter. The display is a 6.3-inch IPS LCD with HD plus resolution. Nothing fancy, but it does come protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which is a solid bonus at this price. On cameras, you'll find a 13MP main lens plus a 2MP depth sensor at the back. And on the front, a 5MP selfie camera tucked into a small water drop notch. Pretty basic, but enough for everyday shots. Battery-wise, it packs a 3000 mAh cell with 10 W charging. Not huge, but paired with clean software, it should last decently for light use. Speaking of software, this runs on pure Android 13, so the experience will be smoother and lighter than customized Android skins. Now, the big selling point? The price. The Nokia C210 costs $109 in the US, or around 1.6 million rupiah, and sales started on September 14, 2023. Right now, it's only available in the US market. So, that's the Nokia C210. Affordable, simple, and practical. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone for calls, social apps, and light use, this one's worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.